Dear kid, it's been a while since we last spoke.
Currently, I do not know what I am popularly known as in the real world. Oftentimes when I sleep, I hear names such as he's a useless man, cry man, foolish boy. What's he going there to offer?
I'm not gonna cry.
Mumu man, how can he ignore his offspring, his first fruit?
Or maybe I will.
I remember the first heartbreak you got when the war took your dad from you from assassination. It felt like someone took a knife and cut into your heart.
You were kicked out of the show before you even settled in. You were back to reality and suddenly it hit you. You were nothing.
Even when the odds were against you, you still rose. Tolani Badge, you are a go-getter.
A loyal friend, and beyond anything, a ride-or-die partner.
You're strong. You're fierce, angel. Or like your great-grandmother would say, Eramoje.
She's a lot of things, but not a weak one. She owns unique strengths that are from the Most High. I'll never give up on you. I'll keep fighting for you.
You are industrious, kind, loyal, beautiful, and the best friend anyone can ever have, even when others can't see it.
Raised by a single mother, you are now that man that knows no limits.
Finally, your family and friends will pick your calls again. After so long, you finally made them proud.
Forgive your father for the scars that you carry. Paul really did his best.
Embrace your victory. Embrace yourself.
Looking at people making it in life, and I always wonder, I'm a graduate and I'm still home.
All right, hold on, let me fight it back.
My success story would never be complete without you all.
Your name, Somadina, meaning you will not be alone, but it seemed like it wasn't your name.
Anyway, this could be my last letter to you, my friend, my brother, my better half.
To everyone listening to this, especially my fellow housemates, I pray for you that your mental strength is strong enough to see you to the end of this show.
This one is for you. There's no limit to what we can do together.
Big brother Naija.